stir it.
Stirring, 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 stirring.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, I'm Melinda, and I'm from the west coast of Canada. I live in the very tip of Vancouver Island.
I'm Jessica. This is my mother, Melinda.
Hi.
We're from the west coast of Canada, and we came here today to do traditional Taiwanese cooking. And we started by going to the market, and we tried chicken roll
Oh, chicken
and
roll.
braised tofu.
Uh-huh.
We walked around, and then we came back and we made Youfan.
Oh, you are speaking Mandarin.
And we're here today with Alex, learning how to cook some traditional Taiwanese food. And some of the best parts is we walked around and we learned some history of this area, which made it so much more special. We got to walk through the market, one of my favorite things to do, and try some things, including a chicken roll, which is a traditional thing you would use for your maybe monthly honoring of the gods. And it was lovely, very interesting. Then we came back here to do some cooking, and we've made a beautiful rice, Taiwanese risotto, which is a glutinous white rice with mushrooms and baby shrimp and pork belly, so many good things in there. And I like mine crispy, so one of the greatest parts is we can make it, Alex would tell us, how you could do it, and then we can adjust it to however we like, which is how you would do it at home, which is amazing. And we also made this soup with daikon, which I've never cooked with before, so a root vegetable. It's a very simple soup to go with this complex rice. So we've got soup, we've got rice with a lovely sauce that Jessica made over on hers. And we're about to dig in, so we're looking forward to that. And thank you, Alex, for such a lovely day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.